I am so happy to say today that I am sharing a recipe from my sons. And this recipe was in the Deen Brothers Y'all Come Eat cookbook. So we're going to make them and we're going to see what we got. It sounds real good. They're going to be peaches and cream muffins. So we've got our we're using self-rising, I think. Yep, self-rising flour, sour cream, sugar, vanilla. Got to spray my pans real good. I've got a 14-ounce can of peaches. I think it is 15-ounce can of peaches. And so I'm just going to mix all this together. I hear a bell.
That's 10 minutes.
I hear the bells a tolling. All right, now you're going to want to make sure your butter is really, really soft. Because their recipe doesn't ask to be melted. It just said 2 sticks of butter. All right, let me see. I might need to use my rubber spatula on this. All right, I'm going to add the sugar to the butter and see if I can get this mixed up. That butter's really good and soft. You know, muffins and things like that, they don't like a whole bunch of mixing. Some of them don't even require any kind of electric mixer at all. So we're going to see what my boys got. Okay, I'm going to add the sour cream. Okay. This is so easy. It's stupid almost. This would be something good for you to get your children to help with. That's mixing pretty good just with a spoon, isn't it, Eddie?
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to add our self-rising flour. I'm going to add just a little bit at a time till I get it all mixed up. I'm going to put a little peach juice in here to just get it a little bit more pliable for me to mix it. Yeah, that works a lot better with a little juice. Works so good, I'm going to put some more in it. Glad we didn't pour that juice out. So I do think I would use the juice, even though they don't tell you. I think in order for it to work, you're going to need it. Because I'm getting it good and mixed up now. All right. Now the instructions tell us to fold the peaches in. And I want to make sure a peach gets in each cup. All right, by folding, we go down, back up, and around. All right, now for these muffin tins, to be safe, instead of sorry, I'm going to use the baking, the pan that's made with flour, fat and flour, because when you're baking a cake or anything like that, you really need to make sure you use this kind that has flour in it. So I'm going to bring it over here so I won't get grease everywhere. Now, I have picked out the ice cream scoop. This makes 12. So I think I picked out the right ice cream scoop to make 12. We'll see. Yeah, I think that's the right size, don't y'all?
Mm-hmm.
350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Thank you, boys, for helping out your old mama. Jamie and Bobby. I believe they cooked up something pretty good. Y'all, I hate to admit this, but I don't cook out of my son's cookbooks as much as I do mine. And what a surprise I was with these peach and cream muffins. Look at that. I gobbled one down before I could even get going. It's got a real crispy edge. You can probably hear me chewing on the edge. Tastes like a peach cobbler. This is the best fruit muffin I've ever eaten. Did you eat one, Eddie?
No.
Would you eat half of this?
I'm going to have one for breakfast.
Well, I've already had 2. So you better get you one and diet it.
None for you for breakfast.
But y'all must try this. Can't wait to tell the boys that I made one of their recipes out of this world. Y'all gotta make it. And it was easy. So good. The rain finally came, didn't it, Eddie? We had all that thunder this afternoon. Well, please try it because it is delicious. Look, I mean, it's just crunchy, crunchy. Yum. Loving best dishes, y'all. I need to cook out of my boys' cookbooks more often. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.